Did you know that you can use almost any lens that was ever made in your Olympus? Hi, I'm Peter Forsgård, an Olympus visionary from Helsinki, Finland. You can find adapters for almost any lens and start using it on your Olympus. I have several different ones. For example, this OM system adapter lets me use OM system lenses on my Olympus bodies. I can, for example, use this OM system 50mm f1.8 lens, which is equivalent to a 100mm field of view in full frame. A nice short telephoto for portraits, for example. Of course, this lens works only in manual focus and the aperture control is from the lens. Otherwise, it works like any other Olympus lens. These adapters can be found on eBay and from a Finnish vintage film camera seller, Camera Store. Camera Store is a great place to find vintage Olympus cameras and lenses if you are into vintage cameras. I have a few vintage Olympus lenses and I made a video about one of them, the 500mm catadioptric lens. Check it out. What's great about Olympus cameras is that the image stabilizer is in the body. That means that the image stabilization works with any lens, so your vintage lens also has stabilization. In the custom menu H1 on the OMD EM1 Mark II, you can set the lens info for the stabilizer. Zuiko lenses are of course recognized automatically, but since there is no info coming from a fully manual lens to the body, it needs to be told what focal length is used. To set up a new vintage lens, just go to the custom menu H1 and press OK on the create lens information and write down the info on the lens. After doing that, press set. Now you have your lens stored, and when using the lens, remember to go on and turn it on from the same menu. I will put a link in the description where you can find information on how to do this in your Olympus body. There are also adapters that passes information through to the camera body. One manufacturer of these kinds of adapter is Metabones. I have never used them myself, but if you have some newer lenses from other manufacturers and want to use them on your Olympus body, check those Metabones out. This was the 10th episode of my Olympus tutorial using Olympus. After you have watched the previous episodes, go and subscribe to my channel. There is more to come. Thanks for watching and bye for now.